Alright, I'll go first.
Okay, for breakfast you had a strawberry banana smoothie with whey protein. I thought you looked like you had been working out.
Thank you for noticing.
For lunch you had salad, Cobb salad, and you had a bacon double cheeseburger for dinner. Why not? You've been good all day. You earned it.
It was a single bacon cheeseburger, actually. I'm watching my cholesterol. But not bad, not bad. Okay, my turn to guess.
Here goes.
Okay, you had Eggs Benedict for breakfast.
Right on.
Then you had a turkey Reuben in the afternoon.
Bingo.
Then in the evening you had... I know that smell. It smells familiar. Dude!
What?
Is there something you're not telling me?
What?
I've smelled that on my girlfriend's breath before. You're not fooling me.
You're crazy.
Oh, man. Things are starting to add up now. I saw that picture of you and Chuck on Facebook. Oh, I bet you've done some awful things with that rodent.
I don't know what you're talking about.
It's okay, man. I know. You went to Chuck E. Cheese without me.